Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a simple 1x1 ribbing with a latch tool and a little bit of patience. So let's get to it. First, you're going to bring forward every other needle slightly so that they stick out a little bit, so you have a clearer view of which needle you're going to be working with. So using your latch tool as a guide, you're going to place it underneath the needle you're going to be working with and locate the row of stitches and drag it down just above the cast on the first stitch and place it inside. You can now release the stitch off the needle, and with your transfer tool you can unravel it. Place the stitch underneath the latch and grab the bar and pull the bar through the loop so we can reform the stitch. We are reforming a stockinette stitch. This is where we get the ribbing pattern. As you reach the top, place the stitch back in the hook of the needle. Locate the row of stitches underneath the needle you're going to be working with and bring it all the way down. Place it inside the stitch just above the cast on. Release the stitch off the needle and unravel it. It is a fairly simple process, however, it is a little time consuming. So this is what the ribbing looks like from the purl side and from the stockinette stitch side. And at the moment, because it just came off the machine, it is a little looser than what it would normally be. And also I have been using cotton yarn, so it does not have as much elasticity that you would have in a synthetic yarn. But after a wash and a dry, you'll have a nice firm ribbing. Well, I think that went pretty well, and if you think so, give me a thumbs up to let me know, or better yet, leave a comment. We can talk about it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you would like to do so, click on the big red button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you straight to it where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.